Hello, Moise Mamla. That's our Humble TV Roundup News. Kohima Rotary Club ra New Market Government High School ge Sanitary Napkin Vending Machine dishe aji tisi dinde Maki Khan gane school de iniga machine dia do Kohima de first asikuina Rotary Club Kohima pra President Kezukoto Prajanai dishe Soka pra chula laga school de students kan kane vending machine diule taikan pra fesla do lushe iniga hugina students kan ke bhal pra school jabole kushe school bishi deri hua pichide khulishe du karane taikan laga studies nimide best wishes dishe Rotary Club Kohima laga former President Dr. Nisatu Mero pra Nagaland de Rotary Club laga khata update dishe Nagaland de tinta club ase Kohima Dimapur aru Mokchung Rotary Club iniga hugina idu laga members Rotarian Kandos TT 100 nishina se don dasawo.
This is to use freely. Today, company has introduced many good things. Maybe some are cheaper, but some are even expensive. And we have been also hearing there are some parents who also find difficult to afford even to buy sanitary napkins in a very beneficial way. It looks very simple, but at the same time, maybe this vending machine may be first of its kind, maybe in Nagaland. So we are proud that, and we have also selected your school as a government school. At the same time, little weaker families, doesn't matter. But for us, our priority is to help the weaker families. So when you utilize this, as Sir has
Vending machine kinega chulawo Kevino Savino pra bujai dishe tade taikange dui thaga noilibi 5 taga coin insert kole sanitary pad to olawo kina chunai dishe iniga huigina pads to chulai lushi kole vending machine de incinerator attach kurina se tade dispose kole kushe Government High School laga headmaster Ayomi Pramaki Khan gane iniga facility laga assist pado bishi fortunate ase kuigina kushi aru Rotary Club Kohima ge bishi dhanyabad dishe